To delete social media icons from your WordPress site, the method depends on where those icons appear, footer, header, sidebar, or within a widget, and which theme or plugin you're using. So in this video, I'll show you how to delete the social media icon from WordPress. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress. And then once you're on your WordPress, go ahead and head over into the page where you have your social media icons. For example, you have that into your homepage. Simply click on this Edit Site button below the quick links on your My Homepage to start editing your homepage. So once you're in here, set this into Visual Editor and then scroll down and look for that specific social media icon you want to remove. And then click on it and then click on these three dots above it and then click on Delete. And then that will allow you to delete that social media icon from your WordPress homepage site. So you can do this with the rest of the social media icons that you want to remove. And that is how you can basically delete social media icon from WordPress. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.